Hello and welcome to the Artistic Per channel. If you're new here, my name is Mel. We do art tutorials on this channel, and today I will be showing you how to draw this rose. In my next video I will be showing you how to color it with watercolors, and I will have all the materials that I use for this video in the description box down below, and do make sure that you hit the subscribe button for part 2 of this video. I will leave links for part 2 of this video somewhere in this video when part 2 is uploaded. So I have a bit more room on my paper, so I will just going to demonstrate how you can draw a rose. So when I start off my roses, I like to start off with this bottom part here, which is like a giant teardrop. I'm just going to go with my H pencil. You want to keep your pencils very light when you're doing watercolors. So this one in the middle, I'm just going to do a rose off here to the side. So I'm just going to do a curved line here in my teardrop up and around, and then I'm going to do another line that goes up and around, down like this, and then just do another curved line here, curve the tip down so it looks like two lips at the top, then a half circle, and then just do another half lip here, and then just a line here that curves, and then just a circle for the bud in the middle, a line there, and then we want to do a set of lips that starts here, goes up, and then curves, and then you just want to do your leaves, and curved here, bend out, and I want to do another big leaf here in the middle, so then there are two curves joined together, and then just one off here to the side, and then just use stem, which is basically a long rectangle, and there you have it. That's how you draw a rose. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification button to be notified of my videos.